What the heck is going on?
Is this your tablet back here on the floor that's made no step on?
What the heck?
Not JoJo.
No, you gotta take that black piece out and then put it in.
What the heck am I experiencing? Okay, I've escaped. I'm in the bathroom right now, so I'm safe. Look, I can't make a really long Christmas special because I'm gonna have to spend time with my family, and it's just a way to make it. But that's a lot of gifts. Like, hold on, let me show you it again. Present wrapping town. Yeah, I can't really make any videos right now because I want to spend time with my family. And please, if you're mad, 625. Can you try to fix the trailer a little? Just, the arm looks so weird. Sorry, I can't take it. It just looks like it's floating out. Okay, bye.